this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
ride up the ride all night. Working in the middle, sun and light. Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Be The Adventurer, and today we're doing another road trip, but this time we're going north. So I've been dying to see the redwood trees, and my husband has agreed to take me and my good friend Karanisha to see them. So we're here trekking along the 101 to see the trees that we can see. So stay tuned. Hey, before you do that, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, because listen, I'm dropping the videos, okay? I'm showing y'all this country. So subscribe so you guys can learn some places to add to your bucket list. I have friends with me, guys. Vincent, hi. Karanisha, hey girl. Y'all, look at this tree. Look at Karanisha right here. Y'all see, that's just the bottom of the tree. It goes all the way up here. This tree is huge. And guess what? It's 1,800 years old. Like, that's insane. Just look at the tree. Like, that's crazy. This is a big tree. Oh, this is the back of the tree? Oh, wow. Like, I can't even get the whole tree. I gotta do like this, guys. We're trying to look for a river.
Pretty, but it don't look that like it's gonna be pretty.
Nah.
Yeah.
Let's keep trucking along. Wow, that's crazy. Anyways, we seen the grandfather tree, and we gotta get back in the car and see the rest of the trees and see what else we can see. All right, so we made it to the visitor center, because you know what, this park is so big that one, we need to get the information so we know where we're going, and two, we were told, or I read, that the GPS doesn't really take you to the correct spots. And you know what we're not gonna do? Get lost, because I don't need Missy yelling at me. So we're just gonna get the information so we can be on the correct path. But guys, I didn't know that we was gonna see the beach. That was a nice little surprise on the way, right, Kai?
Yes, it was absolutely beautiful.
Exit 753 will bring you right here, 753, just 7 miles. There's another visitor center like ours right over here. This is an expanded view, exploded view of this square here.
Okay.
So here's your visitor center again. There's some really great trails around this visitor center.
Look at this, guys. Look at this view. This is just amazing. The beach and the forest. Like, I didn't even know they go so well together. I'm so excited. Must be cold, because Vissy got his jacket on and the hoodie, and so does Karanisha. Welcome to the Redwoods! But it looks like the beach. The beach, guys, and then
Find the trees.
the trees.
Let's find these trees now.
All right, kids, like Vincent said, let's find these trees. I'm so excited, guys. Like, here we are thinking the one that was 1,300 years old was cool, but they said we have more in store. So I'm excited. But also this wind,
It's a bit nippy.
it's blowing me away. So
It's not raining. That's good.
Yes, there's no rain.
what's it? Say it
It could
again,
have been
Vincent.
worse. Huh?
Say it again.
But it's not raining, so that's flat.
Can we get an amen and a hallelujah?
They say it never rains in Southern California, but it darn sure rains in North. Okay?
Hello.
It's
But not
like
today,
this.
Lord. Not today.
No rain.
Because if y'all seen what we've been through, man, we was a little nervous coming up here. We was knocking on all kind of wood, and here we are. Yeah, he said it was gonna be about 5 miles, so it's like a 10-minute drive, and it'll be exit 753. This is the map that the guy gave us. Very informative. better than that modern technology you guys have.
Oh, and we have cows.
Oh, it's cows. And then he said this is the Newton B. Drury Scenic Parkway. So that's what we'll be driving. Alright, so 7:53. Alright. We found elk. Oh wow, it's a bunch of them. So cool. It's a whole bunch. Okay. There's so many of them, guys, and they're so hidden. Like, look how many it is over here. Right here, 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 all right here. Wow. Carnation didn't get out the car. I can see them really well from here. Y'all, this tree is huge. Like, look how small Vincent looks. And it goes
It's pretty much like hollow.
the way.
It's just hollow, like it's a hole.
Woo. Oh, be careful, it's muddy.
No,
Be
no, no, it's
careful.
like it's empty inside. Like a cylindrical, like.
Oh, wow. Then it go all the way. All the
How
way
is it
up.
still standing?
Well, it got a big base.
This is a house. You can chill this in someone's crib.
This is a tree.
Someone's crib.
Yeah, this is a nice crib, man.
You know, it reminds me of that tree that Will Smith had hid in. An Emancipation.
Yeah.
Did you watch that movie?
Uh-uh.
You gotta see it. He was hiding in the tree.
Whoa.
These trees are huge. Wow.
Oh, man, that's just amazing, huh?
Guys, we're in the Redwood National Forest. Like, I just gotta talk to y'all like this. So y'all can see the tree. Cause if I talk to y'all like this, y'all won't see the tree. I mean, this is just really cool. Hi.
Hi.
That's what Will Smith was holding.
And the Emancipation, have y'all seen the Emancipation? If you see an Emancipation, then you know Will was hiding it in the little hole. And he's seen that man die.
You can get in there.
Be careful. All right, this is gonna attempt to go through the tree. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So that's your hiding spot?
The bear calm. I'll chill over here.
I'm scared. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I made it in.
Yeah.
Okay, we got room, guys.
Look up.
Oh wow. Oh, it's two trees connected together.
Mm.
We had it from Coronation. Oh, she found us. Hey, girl. This made me do it. Vincent, now the key is to get down without slipping. Is it still wet?
You guys have fun in there?
Yeah.
Connie, show us your question.
I said, where are the animals? Like, there's no monkeys. No anything.
I don't even hear no birds.
I'm right. There's like
That's
nothing.
one thing about this country. It's not a lot of animals.
Yeah.
There's a lot of nature, but
I mean, there are a lot of spider webs.
For
a lot
sure.
of spider webs. But outside of that,
That's it. What fertilizes trees?
salmon.
Oh.
When they die.
Oh.
like the fish thing?
Yep. When they swim up river to give to give birth to spawn. When they spawn, they die. When they die, then their bodies are just like provide the needed nutrients, nitrogen, and some nutrients that the soil needs. So that is scattered around the forest when it rains. Their bodies are decomposed, and then they say it contributes to part of these trees growing so big.
It looks like an elephant trunk.
It makes sense. Guys, look how big these trees are. They just go up. This is amazing. Like, frolic, pitch a tent, and there's 3 of them right here. It's just so cool. Now, if you want to get this trail, I think it's called Little Brown Trail. I'll double check when we get to the trailhead. But it's a nice, easy walk. You can see the trees, see the big 1,500-year-old tree, and keep it moving. So, this, guys, add it to your bucket list. Vincent, what are you doing?
It's souvenir.
This is my long lost brother, because that's something I would do.
Carnage, do you have leaves in your pocket?
If I had found some eucalyptus, they would be in my pocket, but I didn't see any.
These are the giant sequoia leaves. So I'm taking home a souvenir.
From the redwood?
Maybe you can plant
Not
it.
not
and
not
make it
the
a
not
bush.
the not the sequoia, but the redwood.
Yeah.
Yes. Thanks for the correction.
Hope you can keep it alive. We'll check back on it. Can we name it? Can we call it Little Sequoia? Little Red?
Red.
Little Woody? Redwood?
You guys are weird. All right, guys, so we found an even bigger tree. I thought that one was the one that was 1,500 years old, but it's not. It's another one, and we gotta go down this way to see it.
I think people are just right here.
Okay. They got this sign here that just, the big tree, even bigger trees than the big tree, like, and then what does this sign say? This way to even more trees. That's a very big tree. I mean,
Yeah, it's just you gotta come and just go everywhere.
yeah. Even these trees, like all the trees out here are just so pretty. So they have different trails, guys, you can come and walk. It's getting kind of late for us, and we have like a drive back, so we won't do a trail, but just in case, come really early so you can do a trail, guys. All right, this is the one that's 1,500 years old, guys. Oh, it's way up. And how tall is it? 286 feet. Wow, that's wild. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the Redwood as much as we did. We're about to go grab lunch and head back to Santa Rosa. Yeah, I think we good on Eureka. Now, hopefully these tacos be good so we can at least have something good to say. Because it's too much going on. I'm distracted, guys. I'm distracted. Carnage, you missing the show. Yeah, this is why we gotta get up out of Eureka, because my God, it's just too much going on. This ain't the first one. This is the 5th person. Vincent,
That guy, man, whatever he tried is pretty good. Look, whatever he's on is working for him very well. I mean, the hell, man. There's a lady licking the floor, the ground.
She did what?
She was licking the ground, man. She was like touching her finger on the ground and licking multiple times. Like,
So hopefully Tacos El Galo treats us nicely so we can have something positive to say. Cause if not, we got to get up out of here. Ain't that right, babe?
yeah.
We gotta get up out of here as fast as we can.
I'm about to get a room.
No, the hell we Vincent. In which motel?
Huh?
Which motel you staying in?
The one close to where the lady was licking the floor like.
Look, we'll drop you off at Carney should head on back to Santa Rosa.
I want to know what's going on.
Not me.
FBI walking.
All right, y'all. Let's see if these tacos taste as good as they look. Babe, let me see what you got. Vincent.
Ooh.
More than this dude.
Let me see what you got. Oh, what's this at the top? Asparagus?
Which one?
Looks
one?
good. Yeah, that's asparagus.
No.
What's that?
That's onions.
Oh, green onions.
Mhm.
They're like grilled green onions. Wow.
Yes, and peppers.
Okay. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, guys. So the tacos were really good. Now I'm not gonna tell you to come to Eureka to get the tacos, but if you're passing through to go to the Redwoods, I would suggest it. But to come just to Eureka, no, thank you, because there's a lot of weirdness going on. Like, it's too much. So, nope. Don't come to Eureka just to come. Only come to pass through the Redwoods and pick up some tacos on the way. Or on the way back for lunch. So. Alright guys, well, whew, man, this made me drive all the way back.
She wanted to drive all the way back.
Well, I want him to be able to see the scenery. So I've been driving. I got us home in one piece. And now we're about to peace out. We'll
I got something for you guys.
Chew. What do you have for us, Vincent, before we say bye to the people?
I brought the leaves of the the redwood.
Yes, the redwood.
Yeah.
The people will come get you.
Yeah, so I brought this and very nice. Just the leaves that I didn't cut it from the tree, it was fallen. So very nice. I'm gonna do something with it.
Okay.
If you could eat it, we'll make ugali and collard greens.
It was nice bringing y'all along on our trip to the Redwoods. I hope that after watching this video, you'll add this to your list. And I will catch you guys on the next vlog. Bye.